Unlock a new level of video editing by mastering the customized cutout feature in CapCut PC, turning ordinary footage into extraordinary visual stories. First, import your desired video clip into CapCut and drag it onto your timeline. This is the foundation for your customized cutout. Now, with your video clip selected on the timeline, navigate to the right-hand panel. You'll see several options for video properties. Under the Video tab, locate the Cutout section. You'll see an Auto Cutout option. While this is great for quick removal, we want more control, so don't click it just yet. Instead, click on the Customized Cutout button. This opens up the powerful manual selection tools. Once you click Customized Cutout, a set of drawing tools will appear directly on your preview window, including a brush and an eraser. Use the brush tool to carefully draw a mask around the subject you want to isolate. As you draw, you'll see a green overlay, indicating the area being selected. For precise selection, use the eraser tool to clean up any areas where you accidentally overpainted or missed the edge of your subject. After you've refined your mask, watch as your subject is magically isolated from its background, creating a transparent alpha channel perfect for overlays or new backdrops. Now, you can add a new background image, a solid color, or another video clip below your cutout subject on the timeline. Your isolated subject will seamlessly blend with the new surroundings, opening up endless creative possibilities. Experiment with different backgrounds, add cool effects, or layer multiple cutouts to create truly dynamic and professional videos. The customized cutout feature is a game changer for your CapCut workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials.